Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm teaching you a really easy and impromptu method of doing the triumph trick. This trick is perfect when you have somebody, hey, can you show me a trick? And you don't have any cards and maybe they have a deck, or maybe there are some cards missing from your deck and it's shuffled up and you're not prepared. This is the perfect trick for that situation. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's what that trick looks like. So let's just pretend that we have somebody helping me out right here. So what I'll do is I'll give them the deck and have them shuffle it. Now once they're done, they give me about half of the deck, so we both have some cards to use. Now what we both do is either behind our back or under the table, we just take a card out without looking at it, alright? So what I'll do is I'll just take the cards down here, I'll just spread through, take out any card, and that's the card I will use, alright? So, and they'll do the same thing. Let's just take out this card here. I won't look, take a peek. And so what I'll do is I'll put their card in the middle of my half, and they'll do the same thing. They put my card in the middle of their half, alright? So, just to make sure everything is very random and very mixed, what I'll do is I'll take each pack and shuffle them together face up into face down. It seems crazy, but that's kind of what I do, alright? So you can see them face up into face down, being a mix like that. Now all we do is we give the cards a snap just like this, and if we did this right, you can see all the cards are now facing the same way besides two cards. There's your card and there is my lucky card, the two of spades. Alright guys, so here's how you do this banger of an impromptu card trick. It's very simple, it's almost self-working. Alright, so what you do is you hand them the deck and ask them to shuffle it. And then once they're done shuffling, you ask for half the deck, so you both have some cards to use. Now what you're going to do is, if there's a table there, you can just go under the table. But if there's not, you can just go behind your back and do it. But this is what you're going to do. You're going to turn the deck face up, and you want to know what this bottom card is, because that's going to be your card apparently. Alright, so you just pick that bottom card any way you want to, and then in this case it'll be the 9 of diamonds will be our card. Alright, so what you do here is you take two cards and you turn both of those over like this and take this top card, alright? So the card that's going to be apparently yours is right here facing the deck. And then you come out with this. So this is just a fake card. This card doesn't matter. The card that you're going to name later as your card will be the card that you cited on the bottom of the deck. In this case, the 9 of diamonds. All right. So you put that card there. Now they come forward and they put their card there. And they remember their card as this 4 of diamonds. And you put it in the middle of your half like this, so everything looks normal, right? And so you ask them to put your card in their half. But this card doesn't matter, right? So just ask them to put it in their half and do whatever, right? So now you take their half from them and say, look, just to make sure everything is random and mixed up, what we'll do is mix them together, but in a way that makes it very mixed up, right? So whatever you want to say for your triumph routine. So what you're gonna do is give it a shuffle face up and face down, and you can either do it on the table like this, so it's a closed shuffle, or you can do a butt shuffle. It's kind of like a pharaoh shuffle. It does not have to be perfect by any means. Just put the cards together like this, so they're like that. That is not a perfect pharaoh by any means, but any way you want, just get them shuffled together. Now what I like to do is make sure that this faced card, which is actually my card, right, goes about the middle of this face up packet like this. So this is what you're doing. That's how you start the shuffle, right? So it's that face down card is going about the middle of the deck there. All right, so there's a big block there still. So but from this side, you can't really notice that. So what you do is you just push them in and turn the deck face down. Now you remind them that, look, you shuffled the deck, you took out any card, so did I, and you put my card in your half, put your card in my half, and so there's really no way we could know where the cards are, and in fact the whole deck is a mess, so we couldn't know anyway. But if I give the deck or if I give my fingers a snap, and what was your card? The 4 of diamonds, and my card was the 9 of diamonds, all we do is spread the deck, and look, all the cards are righted, except for 2 cards. There's your 4 of diamonds, and there's my 9 of diamonds. Alright guys, so as always, I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and it means the world to me that you like this video, hit subscribe, all that kind of stuff that we all do on YouTube, or don't do. I don't know what I'm talking about, but until next time, happy practicing. I love you guys.